Hi, good morning. Welcome to Victor Growth Academy. So, another question from the current affairs. So, this question is based on a current affairs that a portion of some country or a territory of a country has a referendum in terms of getting a freedom, though it is not binding. It is a first step towards getting a freedom. So it may be a 194th country in the world. So let us see one question on this. So I made a question. The question is, which among the marked island is the island of Bougainville? So that region which I was talking about is the Bougainville. So I have given a map of that region. So options are A is available, B is available, C is available, D. So you have to mark which part of this is a Bougainville. Okay, Bougainville, which voted for freedom recently. It is a region of one country. Okay, it is not a part of. It is not independent countries. It may or may not in future. So question can come. So this is a question, which is the Bougainville. So mark the answers, and my answers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, the answer is A. Yeah. So this is a part of Papua New Guinea. So this is a Papua New Guinea. This is one country called Papua New Guinea, and these are its islands, okay, including this Bougainville. Why this is going for independence is more culturally they are towards Solomon Islands. So here Solomon Islands are there. So it is trying to be independent. And another thing is they have a very high rich you can say mines on copper. So one of the largest reserves of copper is there. So that can be another question. So Bougainville Island is located very far away from Papua New Guinea. This Papua New Guinea, this is where the Bougainville is located. Okay. So see you in another question. Thank you. Bye bye.